How are you doing, guys? Airsoft Sniper here. Today I want to introduce you another Airsoft YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Cleanshot.
Hi, I'm Cleanshot and I'm a Dutch Airsoft Sniper. I started Airsoft in May 2015. I've had many types of Airsoft rifles, but I started sniping since January 2016. So I got myself a Tokyo Marui VSR-10 and I upgraded it. As in secondary, I'm using a Tokyo Marui MK23 with a silencer attached. I'm not the regular sniper guy you will find on the field. I like to get up close to the enemy and use the element of surprise in my tactics. I decided to entertain you guys with my sniper gameplay, so I created my own YouTube channel called Cleanshot. I could talk hours of how I play, but just better if you take a look yourself.
Got him. He's down. Tap him.
This is Cleanshot, thanks for watching and subscribe for upcoming videos.